Hello guys, in this short video, I'll be showing us how to quickly run the Subdao um, um, testnet. Okay, now but it's gonna be brief. I've already done my own task. Okay, I've completed the whole task. You can see. So I will just show what to do. All these other ones, you do this on yourself, like Subdao, retweet, join Subdao Telegram. Do all this, subscribe, join that Telegram, Discord, then connect your wallet. Okay, now this one now I think should be 100. Now to connect the wallet is very simple. Once you click on the link, it redirect to the Subdao stuff here where you connect wallet. I believe most of you have connected a wallet. Connect it to your your MetaMask. Okay, connect it to your MetaMask. Okay, and before you do that, I think there's a step here. I showed some of us. I can already connect it to this. Okay, now there's a step um here on how to. That is, if you look at the more information about this testing, you see how to connect your wallet to create a network. So I'm not going to talk about all that. So you know that, and I'm sure you've already claimed your Binance set. Okay, once you create on Finance, then for the USDT, most of us are finding it difficult to create, or so let's say claim your USDT. Now, if you click on this claim USDT, there's something here. Okay, before they let me click something here, let me copy my MetaMask address. Okay, I want us to see something because these are the challenges some of us are facing. So now here, based on it faucet, you're supposed to paste your address to claim USDT. Okay, now but because of this whole 24 hours of the thing, you're not getting the USDT today, just go to this same Binance testnet faucet and claim. Okay, but the thing is, once you claim Binance testnet that day, you can't claim any other token again. Are you seeing it now? So that's the reason why they created an option for you to claim USDT here. So now, for example, I can paste the address here. Okay, then come to this peggy tokens now and you see USDT to claim the 10 USDT. I think, but because you've claimed Binance already, you can't claim this one too. You only expect to claim only one token today here. So that's just for that USDT. You can claim it tomorrow after running the tax. So now coming back to this other place now. Now to connect your wallet, after connecting your wallet, come to this place. I want to show us how to quickly create this whole DAO of a thing. You come to create DAO. Okay, I'm gonna make it fast. Upload your image, the image you want to use. Okay, the token image. So I can use let me quickly download an image. I will just be like beans. Okay, beans token, beans token. So I'll just look for an image of beans. Then PNG. Let me add PNG so it will be easier for me. PNG. Exportable network graphics. Okay, to be easier. Good. So I want to use something like this as my image. I'm gonna select let me pick. Okay, these beans. Then I'll save the image, save as download. To now be on my download page. Good. Now let's go back to our tags. Okay, I'll click on upload. Select the image I just downloaded from my downloads. Okay. Then it's uploading. Once you initiate any command, if you're using QE browser, always remember to approve that command, that transaction. So I've uploaded these beans now. Then the name of the token, I can say beans. Um, beans, beans DAO. For example, I don't have the token. Then Twitter page of the beans now. So you can put anything random, okay? Create a Twitter account for it. Twitter.com/beans DAO. Okay, that's the Twitter account for this. I just created. So description, I'll just say this is my beans token. Okay, now then I'll click on next. Then now you select. Now we have the community, we have the venture. So we are expected to do the venture, okay, based on this. So create the venture. If you look at the information on the medium, that via the Telegram, how to go about those stuff. So I'm going to select venture, okay. So to select the venture, you click on use. Let me select this first. Okay, next. Sorry, let me go back. Click on this use. Good. Then now go to next. Okay. Now under the next, the name I can just say beans. Okay. These are the tags that you need to do. Then symbol beans. Okay. Then total supply 1 billion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That should be 1 billion. This three. This three. Okay, go 1 billion. Then vote. Now make sure you put one here. Then put one here. Then submit. You accept, okay, you get integration from your MetaMask. So you need to accept the integration from MetaMask and all that. Confirm. Okay, and I think we have another notification, adding management. So I'm gonna approve this, confirm.